Ni hao, hello friends from Xinhua, warm regards from Madrid. Thank you all for your excellent work this year in promoting the Olympic values in Beijing 2022 in China. And around the world, the progress being made by Beijing 2022 has been truly remarkable. The preparations for the Games are going extremely well despite all the challenges in the test event programs due to COVID-19 related restrictions. Well, these Games will go from inspiring a whole generation of winter sport enthusiasts to build an environmentally friendly and sustainable Games. With this, China is delivering on its big promise despite challenges and obstacles. About 1 million people have shown their willingness and the plans for the 1 year to go ceremonies way underway, using 100% clean energy for the Games venues. For example, the natural carbon dioxide as refrigerant for the ice-making situations, first time ever in the Olympic Games, are some of the steps to make these Games extremely green, the greenest. There will be challenges ahead, we are sure, we know that. The COVID-19 countermeasure working group that is already very much in place. And we are fully prepared for all eventualities. To achieve this very successful Winter Games, the experience and expertise of the local organizing committee, the support of the Chinese and the Beijing governments, and the close collaboration with the Olympic and Paralympic movements and the rest of the stakeholders will ensure that we are stronger together. Xie xie, and I wish you a very, very happy 2021.